Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of arts and culture. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will click on arts and culture. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.